30 days ago, I started a brand new YouTube Shorts channel to see how fast I can grow it. That channel now has over 48,000 views.
How did that happen?
Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. I am going to reveal all the secrets I learned in the last 30 days about growing a faceless YouTube Shorts channel so that you can learn from them and apply those principles to your own channel. The last step is super important, and most people are unable to grow on YouTube because they tend to ignore it. So make sure you stick around till the end. For now, hit subscribe and let's get started. The first step is to find a niche. Now, if you skip this step, then don't be surprised if your channel doesn't get views. YouTube pushes content that people care about, and setting a specific niche allows you to easily create such content instead of randomly posting in the dark. The way that I did this is called incognito scrolling. Just open YouTube in an incognito window, and when you do that, Google shows you what's popular right now and not just videos that cater to your specific interests. You can also change the location to that of your target audience to see what kind of content is pushed out to them the most. Write down 4 or 5 niches that are pushed out to you most often. For me, the facts niche was the most prevalent. I saw a bunch of videos similar to these.
If you eat too much cereal, it can make you brain dead. Facts that will make you less stupid than you.
I realized that this is a good niche to tap because it's evergreen, but I wanted to stand out as well and take it a step further. So instead of just using random clips in my videos like most of these channels do, I wanted to use stock footage that is related to the script and can therefore fit my script and narrative better. And I'm going to show you how I did that in just a minute. Now, with the niche finalized, next I needed to come up with video ideas that would increase my chances of going viral. A super easy way to do this is to again search YouTube for topics that are trending by looking at other channels in your niche. It is a slightly time-consuming process, but it gives you a good understanding of the kind of videos you can create. After doing some research, I saw that Did You Know videos were doing really well, and I could easily recreate these for shorts on my channel. I did a little more digging and finalized the idea of fun facts about people for my first video. Now, with the idea ready, it was time to start creating the videos. But I didn't really want to script, edit, or record my voiceover for the shorts, so I found an AI tool that could do all of the work for me. All I needed to do was give it a text prompt. Let me show you. Start by signing up or signing into your account on ai.invideo.io, and this window will pop up. Here, you write your prompt, and this is what I wrote. Create a 30-second long YouTube short about the funniest facts about people, American male voiceover. Now go ahead and click on generate, and after about 20 seconds, another window pops up. You can choose for which type of audience you are creating the short and how you want it to feel. I'm going to choose general audience because I wanted to appear to the maximum number of people possible. Then InVideo AI will just take a couple of minutes and generate your first draft. Let's take a look.
Cue the chuckles. Did you know the average person laughs 13 times a day, or that we're more likely to remember something if it's funny? And here's a kicker. Humans and rats are the only creatures who can laugh. So next time you need a memory boost, crack a joke. And maybe, just maybe, the rats will laugh with you. Stay curious, stay amused.
That looks awesome. In under 5 minutes, InVideo AI gave me a full-fledged YouTube short complete with the right script, music, hyper-relevant stock media, and a human-sounding voiceover. But I think we can make a few minor adjustments to this video to make it even more epic. For this, all you need to do is use the prompt box under the canvas area and prompt the AI to make any changes you want. I, for example, will remove subtitles to see if it's better with or without them.
Did you know the average person laughs 13 times a day? Or that we're more likely to remember something if it's funny?
See how easy that was? But I like it more with the subtitles on. So in case you make a change and you don't like the results, you can always click on this undo arrow and go back to the previous version and try again. And in case you want to make specific changes to the video, like changing a part of the script or changing a particular clip, that is also super easy to do using the edit option. Now I want to change a few parts of the script. So I'm going to click on edit and then choose the edit script option. Here I am just going to delete this first sentence because I don't think we need it. I can also change this part to, and I bet you didn't know this, and I can delete this part as well. I will now click on apply to apply these changes, and let's see what this looks like.
Did you know the average person laughs 13 times a day? Or that we're more likely to remember something if it's funny? And I bet you didn't know this. Humans and rats are the only creatures who can laugh. So next time you need a memory boost, crack a joke. And maybe, just maybe, the rats will laugh with you.
Perfect. I also want to replace a few clips. So I'm going to click on the edit media option right here. And here I'll just search the stock library for a few more relevant clips. Once I find them, I will select the clip that I want to replace and then click on my chosen clip, and you will see that it gets placed on top of the original, meaning that it has been replaced. And with that, we're done. Let's go ahead and take a look at the final results.
Likely to remember something if it's funny. And I bet you didn't know this. Humans and rats are the only creatures who can laugh. So next time you need a memory boost, crack a joke.
That looks awesome. Now all you need to do is export your video, and you can do that by clicking on this export option right here. Make sure you choose your parameters, and remember that all your watermarks will be removed if you are on the paid plan, which I highly recommend getting. It starts as low as $20 a month and gives you insanely powerful video creation capabilities in one single AI tool. Now it's time to start posting these shorts and analyzing the results. One day after posting, I checked the analytics and saw that the views weren't really bad, but they were not good either. So I tried to find out why that was, and I figured out that all the reference channels that we had seen put multiple facts in one short, but we had only put one fact. So I needed to try and replicate their process in the next short, and that's what I did. I then posted the new shot, and when I checked the analytics a day later, I saw that this shot had over 9,000 views. So this solution clearly worked. Most of the shots got a few thousand views on the first day itself, and some even got over 7,000 views in just 24 hours. Now keep in mind that for a brand new channel like this one, it is completely normal for the views to fluctuate because the audience does not connect with you yet. All your content is being pushed out to new people who might not always be your target audience. It takes some time for YouTube to figure out who is interested and who's not. And this finally brings us to the last step, one that most people ignore, and that is testing out multiple strategies. You cannot expect to create a perfect channel from the start. Trust me. This means you need to test out what content works for you. If you look at my strategy, you will see that I started by creating shorts with one fact, and then I realized that that didn't work, so I switched things up. I am soon going to be sharing the results of 60 days of posting these shorts consistently on this channel, so make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications because the results are going to blow your mind. Also, let me know what kind of channel I should try creating next. And don't forget to check out this video next to learn how we created a faceless YouTube automation channel using InVideo AI.